Traditional teaching methods such as flashcards and alphabet books is not often enough to engage the children, making teachers, tutors, and parents have a hard time in creating a new and engaging learning method for teaching alphabets. This study aims to improve the way of teaching alphabets to children, developing an innovative system website called ABCify, which is designed to enhance alphabet recognition and letter sound correspondence among children aged 3 to 5. ABCify employs convolutional neural networks for real-time image classification, enabling children to capture and interact with basic everyday objects inside their house or school through smartphones. For our first objective is to develop an image classification system using convolutional neural networks or CNN that enables children to learn alphabets while interacting with their surroundings. For our second objective is to create a text-to-speech feature aimed to support auditory learning style among children aged 3 to 5 years old, helping them learn the pronunciation of alphabet letters and associated words, thereby enhancing their understanding and engagement. The overall purpose of this study is to enhance engagement, reinforce a new way of learning of alphabet while at the same time connects children to familiar items in their environment. Welcome po sa aming system. So first, click po natin ang register. Then, mag-register po tayo ng ating first, last name, nickname, and password. Before po tayo mag-proceed sa login. After po mag-fill up, click lang po ang register button. Automatically, mapupunta na po ito sa login page. So, ilagay po natin yung ating nickname and then yung password po na ni-register po natin. After successfully po na ma-fill up, i-click lang po yung login button at mapupunta na po kayo sa aming dashboard kung saan makikita po natin na mayroon pong alphabet chart. Kapag click po natin yung letter dito po sa loob ng alphabet chart ay meron pong sound kung paano bigkasin yung
A.
letter po.
A. F.
So, ngayon naman pa mag-proceed po tayo sa scan. So, ito po yung isa sa mga objective ng aming system kung saan kapag nag-upload or nag-capture po tayo ng image, yung object po na kinapture natin ay i-identify po ng ating system at magbibigay ng resulta kung ano ang pangalan ng bagay na iyon, kung saan sa resulta may kita po natin na naka-highlight po yung pinaka-first letter ng object para ma-identify kung anong letter nagsisimula ang object na yon. Mayroon ding audio button feature para marinig kung paano bigkasin ang object na ito. Sa pamamagitan nito, ang pagtuturo at pag-aaral ng alphabet ay mas interactive at
Computer mouse.
engaging. Dito rin ay nakakaroon ng interaction ng mga bata sa mga bagay na nakikita nila sa kanilang bahay at sa kanilang eskwelahan.
Calculator.
Ngayon naman ay mag-try tayo mag-upload ng image.
Cat. Printer. T-shirt. Alarm clock.
That's it. We're still working on the third objective of our system, but for now, ito po muna yung aming may papakita for survey. Thank you po for watching and thank you po for your time answering our survey.